Hello there, lovelies. Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we are jumping straight into this wig review / install featuring the Outre Sleek and Slay L-Part wig. And this is the style Shadora in the color Sun-Kissed Brown. You guys, this wig is perfect for the upcoming fall season. She is a beautiful brown color with blonde highlights in the front, and she is a lace frontal wig as well. She does come in a variety of different colors. And you guys, let's get into this construction. So again, we do have her in the shade Sun-Kissed Brown. I love the way they did the highlights on this unit. It blended in so well with my skin complexion. And this style did come pre-curled as well. This unit is a lace frontal wig, so you do have lace from ear to ear, combs in the front by the temples, as well as a comb in the nape section as well. And she does have a curved L parting, and the lace is pre-plucked as well, and it does come with baby hairs. And here is what the lace is giving without any product. So today I am going to tint my lace using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Longwear Foundation in the shade Sienna. And I'm just going to take a few pumps of this foundation and apply it with my foundation brush all over the lace to tint the lace for my unit today. And y'all, here we go with the pre-try-on of Ms.Shadora. And you guys, I was definitely loving these curls on her. Okay, can you say curls for the girls, curls for the girls? She's definitely giving me also like a retro 70s vibe as well. So I really do love the pre-curls on this unit. Alright y'all, so today for this install, I'm making it super beginner friendly. This is going to be a glueless wig install. So the first thing that I'm doing is pre-cutting my lace into different sections, so that way it'll be easier for me to maneuver it when it's time to lay the lace down. And here I'm just cutting off any excess lace. And you do want to leave a little bit of lace so that way you're able to maneuver the wig and position it the way that you would like. I love working in sections so that way I can make sure each section is as flat and as possible. And it's easier for me to manipulate one section at a time. And to melt my lace today, I'm going to be using the Eben Extreme Hold. This has become my favorite spray by this brand. So if you have not tried this, you definitely want to get on this one, sis, because your wig is going to stay in place all day, okay? And I'm using my blow dryer on heat settings of hot as well as cold. I like to go in with a hot to warm heat setting first, and then I like to lock it in place with cold air so that way the spray gets nice and tacky and sticks in place. So I'm going to be applying the spray to each section. And of course, you do not want to forget your elastic band. That's what's going to help further melt your lace. So I like to use my elastic band for about 15 minutes to further melt in my lace. And y'all, here are the final results of Ms.Shadora from the Outre Sleek and Slay collection. You guys, I truly enjoyed this unit. It was so beginner friendly, and I definitely would add this to your wig collection for this upcoming fall season. You guys, definitely let me know your thoughts on this unit. Would you rock it out yourself? Drop me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And of course, Do not forget to share this video with your beauty besties so we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video.